Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Leo. So if you have your sun, moon, ascendant or your Venus sitting in the sign of Leo, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is Eight of Swords. You are scared about something. You're going through this phenomena, like an ostrich, where you don't want to see the situation for what it is. You're just trying to be like, if I don't pay attention to the problem, it's magically going to disappear. But sorry to break your bubble of illusion. Some fears you do have to face. Something is going on in your relationship, in your love life, or in your personal life that you don't want to face. You're scared. Either you're scared that you are going to end up being alone in this life, or you have been single for so long. You're scared that nobody will like you. You could be having self worth issues. You might feel uh, my body is not sexy, I don't look sexy, so or I don't look handsome, depending on who's watching. But I do feel like something like that is happening. Also, it's number 8, so ruled by Saturn. Some kind of thing is happening which is giving you grief, which is giving you depression, it's giving you some kind of sadness, and it's a fear. Because wherever there's a number of Saturn, it gives you some kind of fear, so you have to figure this out. Don't let it go, don't let it slide. It is something you can do. You can activate in your chart. If you know how to do it, go ahead and do it. Or you can check out my Instagram. There are a lot of different techniques to activate. The next card that I have for you guys is the Three of Wands. So Seven of Swords, Three of Wands. Many of you want to, you're dealing with somebody from a different country. You could be dealing with somebody who live in a foreign land, or who lives overseas. So long distance relationship, that is what I'm seeing for many of you. And with the Eight of Swords, it does mean it might be taking really long for you guys to meet because of the current COVID situation, or you're too afraid that this relationship that you have, or this growth that you are getting in your life, you're just scared of it, that maybe things have not, life has not been easy for you. And if good things happen to you, you start questioning them. So that kind of energy is very, very prominent. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Swords, which tells me that you're making suggestions, you're making like plans. A lot of dreams are happening. You are trying to find the key. You're trying to find some kind of clue in your dreams to that is going to solve all these problems that you are having. So what is happening, if I have to look at these three cards, a lot of you are in your head at this moment. I don't see you taking action. You want to take action, but I do feel like you're skeptical, or you're scared about taking this action towards somebody. And you are hoping that if you kind of sleep it over, if you kind of ignore the problem, it's going to go away. So you just, here you have your eyes closed, here again you have your eyes closed. You don't want to face the situation. That is what it actually means. Let's see what other messages we have for you. The next card that I have for you is the Two of Pentacles. So career must be taking a priority right now, because finances are unstable. There's a lot more outflow than cash inflow, or suddenly you're having this influx of cash and you don't know what to do it, or you have multiple jobs, and which is why you're kind of unsure whether this thing or this situationship that you have going on is going to yield you any result or not. But your finances are, your career is having an impact somehow. And then you have the Ace of Swords, which tells me the clarity that you're looking for, the confusion here, right, that's happening here. Very soon you're going to get clarity for it. You'll find when you wake up one morning, everything is going to make sense, everything is going to fall in the right place. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is a card of stability. This is number 4, this is number 4, lots of number 4. We are talking about Rahu. Rahu gives you this enormous power to make everything that you want come true. It's also a card of illusion. So whatever could be happening right now might be an illusion. So all this thinking might be all in your head. And this Four of Wands, it's a card of success. It's the 1111 card. It's the card of stability. I think all this might be happening for real, but you are unable to believe it because you're believing an illusion. So clarity is coming 100% in your love life. If you don't know what you want, you're unsure about your feelings or the feelings of a certain person about you, trust me, you are going to get clarity. You're finally going to make a decision very, very soon. Some kind of travel or long distance or a different country is somehow involved in your relationship. Either your person is there or you are in a different country, you have to move to a different country, but something along those lines is very, very prominent for you guys. There are also chances of getting married to this person in the long run, not right now, but definitely you will have a clarity about them. The next card that I have for you is the Nine of Pentacles. So career wise, I do see you becoming more stable. Why more stable? Because when we talk about love reading, we're also talking about having your own self-esteem, your own self-growth. Remember when I said here that you might be fearful of how you look or of how sexy you are or the confidence self-worth issues? Well, they're getting corrected right here. It might take about 9 to 10 days, because in 10 days I do see you getting clarity, or at least you starting a workout regimen. So you'll at least know what you have to do, where you have to go. So that is a clarity that will be brought to you. The next card that I have for you is the Queen of Pentacles. See, Queen of Pentacles, she knows it all, she does it all, she's basically a superwoman, and that is who you are. Virgo, sorry, Leo woman. This is the reading for Leo. So you know it all, you can do it all, you have the passion, you have the curiosity, and you have the will to do things. And then I have Two of Cups, which definitely tells me after all this confusion, after all this problem, these up and down that you are going through in your situationship, in your relationship, or if you are single, you are going to get to share your cup of love with somebody. It's going to happen for you, whether it happens in 10 days, it happens in 15 days, or in 20 days. It is definitely happening. I have a feeling something more stable is going to happen around the month of September. That's my gut feeling. But yeah, you are definitely headed towards a better place when it comes to your love life, Leos. Let's see from love messages, love oracle, what messages we have for you. The first card that I have for you guys is this could be the one. So the person you are with right now, you've already met the romantic partner you seek, and you are unsure about them. You're not sure whether you're making the right decision or not. And I told you the 1111 card, the stability is coming, career is going well, you are having this surge of self-confidence, and you are going to become this Queen of Pentacles. Two of Cups, obviously something was happening, this person could be the one. Let's see what other messages I have for you guys. The next card that I have for you guys is it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So don't be fearful of what is to come. You're thinking too much, you're keeping your eyes closed, and you're not really appreciating the situation for what it is. Keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, even keep your idea open about the kind of partner you want to have. Don't limit yourself to a certain characteristics. Build up this person in your own head every night. Even if you have a partner and you want your partner to change something, this is a manifestation tip that works. Think about the partner the way you want them to behave, and magically one day your partner will start behaving exactly that way. We are using the energy of water to change, because water represents our thought process. And when you do it before you sleep, you're also activating the air elements. So do that, and do let me know if it works for you.